After discovering this recipe, I only want to eat chicken like this. Let's start by cutting 2 chicken breast fillets like this. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, keep interacting with this video. That way you won't miss any of our recipes. Add salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Repeat the same seasoning on the other side of the fillet. This recipe will surprise your family with how delicious it is. In a bowl, add a cup of wheat flour. Then roll the chicken fillets in the flour. Take the time to let me know which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add a drizzle of oil to a frying pan. A tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt and add the chicken fillets. Fry until golden brown. Add a tablespoon of butter. 3 crushed garlic cloves. A tablespoon of vinegar. 2 tablespoons of honey. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Let the fillets cook in these seasonings for about 10 minutes. Then turn them over so that they are golden brown. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know what you think. I'll drizzle some of this sauce over the top. It will make the fillets even juicier. Add spring onions to taste. And our recipe is ready. The chicken fillets are very tasty. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video, so I know how much you liked it. I can't wait to find out what it will be. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.